Hey guys, all right, today we are talking about a foundation that I've owned for a couple of months now, and I do want to share it with you. It's not drugstore, it's a little bit pricey, so I will start off by saying that it's the first foundation I've ever tried from Trish McEvoy, and this is the Gorgeous Foundation. It's pretty new. I want to say probably launched within like the last, I don't know, 6 months or something. I just got a haircut yesterday, so I got little side swept bangs. I'm just gonna get my bangs out of my face so you guys can see my face better. All right, so it's $75. It is pricey. I will say a little bit goes a long way. This is a foundation that's gonna be hydrating. It's got niacinamide, it's got hyaluronic acid in it. So if those are things that you look for in a foundation, it's definitely a good one. The shade range is actually really nice. Now, if you've ever heard of Trish McEvoy, or you haven't, it's a brand that's been out for many years. I bought my first eyelash curler at the mall, and it's a Trish McEvoy one, and it was one of the best eyelash curlers because the gate opened up really nice. So, been around for a minute. When it came to complexion products, I will say that the shade range was never the best. But it's nice to see that it's moved in a better direction and that there's more colors for people. I like this foundation, the shade range. I do like their concealers. I've kind of played with them in the store. So huge improvement. Now, if you've never heard of Trish McEvoy, there's your little feedback or your little story. And if you had, that's my feedback about it. So anyways, back to the foundation. It is really nice. It comes in like this little, well, not little, but it's like a doe foot applicator. And you can apply it to your face if that's how you apply your makeup. I don't do that. If you know me, you know I don't do that. I'm gonna swatch it for you. I have shade 6, which is light golden. The other thing I do wanna say about this foundation is that it comes in different undertones. So if you're olive undertone, there is something for you. I like that a lot. So this is number 6, and I just want you to see how it blends. With this foundation, you're gonna get a good medium coverage, I'd say. And I want you to see, my hands are dry because I've been washing them like crazy. Notice how it's sitting in the little tiny lines of my hand. It's not emphasizing those little lines. Now, if you're oily skin, I think just do your regular moisturizer and let it sit or whatever, then you can apply this. If you're dry, you're gonna wanna just moisturize. So don't skip moisturizers, basically what I'm saying. Just because it says that it has hyaluronic acid in it and that it's hydrating, as a dry skin person, I never trust that from any brand. So I'm just using a little moisturizer. If you're curious, this is from Biossance. It's the Squalane Omega Repair Cream. I'm just gonna apply that everywhere. I did recently dermaplane my face, like myself. I didn't get it professionally done. And I will say, if you guys want me to make a video on that, I can do it the next time I do it. It makes your makeup sit better. If you ever see those influencers that they put anything on and their skin is super glowy, I guarantee you they're dermaplaning. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. If you don't know what that is, it's basically when you shave your face. All right, I got this guy here. Nothing I can do about it. So again, I'm shade 6. I'm gonna take it. Again, I put it on the back of my hand and kind of just move it around. It's not like a serum, but it's not like a super liquidy foundation. It's somewhere in the middle, and I like it. So I apply it this way, and then I'll go in, I'll follow up with a brush. So it blends really easy. It's very lightweight. If you are somebody who does not like the feel of makeup on their skin at all, you're gonna like this. Even though it's hydrating, it doesn't have, it's not, how some foundations that have come out that are hydrating and dewy, they leave your skin a little emollient. This doesn't do that. This sets kind of, I don't wanna say it sets super quick. You still have time to kind of play around and blend, but you're not, it sets basically. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. It sets, so you're not sitting there waiting and your face is wet. Now, as much as I love a good dewy foundation, sometimes that's annoying if I'm kind of in a rush and I gotta get out somewhere. It does have, let me show you up close. If you see how like in the light, when I turn it, it's got like that little soft shimmer. It's like that same thing that like the Mario foundation had. I forgot who else had that. But it doesn't look shiny on the face. There's no glitter in it or anything like that. And if there is, it's got to be like super minute. It's almost like a pearlized kind of finish. So that's one little layer. I need to go a little more coverage around my nose and my face. So I do like that. I do like, even though it's in like that doe foot applicator system, it's not messy. And you know what? I think today we'll do a wear test. You guys like those a lot. And today's not an upload day, so I can do that. So I'm applying this on, it is 103 right now. So now that it's totally blended out, it does leave a really nice glow to the face, but it's not like dewy or like super dewy. Also, it's like pretty much dried down. So that's good. It's when I get an up close view of something. So this is what we are looking at. I think I blended out pretty good. I have a little dryness around my nose like I usually do, and then this stupid little pimple, I did not pop it, I didn't even touch it. It's a little bit dry. So this is where we're at again. It is 104. A minute later. So I will do a couple of check-ins on my phone, and then I'll do like an end of the night check-in with you guys. Probably at some point I'm going to have more makeup on my face because it is a film day, but this is where I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to like set it or anything. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm outside. It is 3:45, so it's been almost 3 hours. I'm in the car. Show you guys my watch. It's upside down, but it's 3:45. So far it looks good. I'm in natural lighting as well. It's sitting pretty good actually. Color's pretty consistent. I just have a little bit of bronzer on, but yeah. All right, see you in the next check-in. All right guys, I am back for my final check-in. It's not super late. It's 7:33. So I've had the foundation on for 6.5 hours. I'm gonna take it off because my allergies are really bothering me. My eyes have been irritated all day. I did do a lot of cleaning though, so probably got dust in my eyes. Oh, you're gonna see a cattail. So yeah, so this is it after 6.5 hours. It looks really good still. Skin still looks glowy. I only have on a little bit of bronzer and some blush. Otherwise, I don't have anything else on, and I did my eyeliner. But honestly, I think it looks the exact same as when I put it on. It's a foundation that wears so beautiful throughout the day. You have a nice, healthy glow. It's very lightweight. I don't feel like I have anything on my skin. So that's amazing. Like I said, it's not a first impression. I have this, I've worn it a few times already, and I like it because it's something that I can put on where it looks like I put more effort into my makeup than I actually did. So I like that. The coverage is buildable. You can't beat that. So I like it. It's a good one. It's definitely a beautiful foundation. So let me know if you guys are going to give this one a try, or if you want me to try any other ones, leave a recommendation in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.